today we read A to Z all alphabet. Now, A for ant, and B for bank. Now, C for cat. Now, D for dog. Now, E for elephant. Now, F for fox. Now, G for giraffe. Now, S for hippopotamus. I for iguana. Now, J for jellyfish. Now, K for koala. Now, L for lion. Now, M for monkey. Always eat banana. Now, N for narwhal. Now, O for owl. Now, P for panda. Now, Q for queen. Now, R for raccoon. Now, S for seal. Now, T for tiger. Now, U for unicorn. Now, B for ball. Now, W for blues. Now, X for X3. Now, Y for whack. Now, Z for zebra. Ha ha ha. So see you again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, S, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Today read A to Z, the Delhi, and focus. New idea and to my channel. Subscribe and like. Okay, tata, bye bye.